Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about something special, man. You know, this one is a one-on-one. It's not many of these made, man. Recently, maybe about a couple weeks ago, Nike gave Nigel Sylvester a chance to bring back some Air Force Ones, and you know, they were Nike ID, so I made two pairs, man. One came in already, so you know I had to bring it to the channel and show you guys what this shoe looks like, man. But before we do that, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to the channel. And also, y'all can check us out on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And if you want to buy any Penny for Your Thoughts merch, you can hit us up, you can email us at p4yt2016@gmail.com. I know y'all excited to get to this shoe, so enough with the talking. Here you go, guys. Nike ID, Nigel Sylvester, made by me, Jones. You know, very dope shoe. Got that Nike in the back. It's that velvet right there. That's not suede. That's velvet on the back. As you can see, it got the gold swoosh, man. Let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. You know me, man. Like, I'm a big Air Force One collector, Air Max 1 OG collector, man. I love OG sneakers and OG feels, man. And this right here brings back that OG feel for sure, man. Nike gave a bunch of people opportunity to make their own Nike ID, man. I kind of like the one that Nigel Sylvester made. This is kind of the one that he made, but the one that he made had an all beige sole, so I threw a black sole on the bottom, you know, give it a little more funk to it. I ain't really do too much on this one because I liked what he had going on, but the other one, I pretty much erased the whole shoe and made my own shoe, man. When you guys see that, you guys are gonna be like, wow, that's a dope shoe, man. But I love patent leather Air Force Ones, man. It's one of my favorites of all time, man. As you can see, the shoestrings is like, it's not even like a regular like cotton material. It's like a different material. Got the gold on the shoestrings here, man. As you can see, it got the velvet on the inside. You guys can check that out. Velvet on the inside of here, man. I haven't even tried them on. I just laced them up to take pictures with them. Whatever. Nike Air in the back. Oh man, got the black with the green, the beige swoosh, fire. Just a super clean shoe, man. Like as you can see, the inside it says made by Nigel. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that? If not, I'll pull the soles out, you know, and I'll put it in the preview so you guys can check that out, man. But I love Nike IDs, man. When Nike gives you an opportunity to make your own shoe, man, it's a lot more personal. You know, you're able to do what you want to do on the shoe, man. Like, so I just thought it was dope. As you can see, I have another one right here, Air Force One. This one I made back in the days with my Bozo Money family. Shout out to Udris, shout out to Tay, shout out to my man Jay. We made this joint right here way back years ago. So I got a couple of Nike IDs in my archives. If you guys want to see more of my Nike IDs, man, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. But this shoe just super clean, man. Get that velvet though, that velvet. At first I thought I wasn't gonna like the velvet. I was trying to change it to put a patent leather with the regular mesh in the inside. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but they didn't have that option, so I just kept the velvet and I just changed the colors or whatever. But this is super clean. I don't even know how this shoe feels. I haven't even tried it on. It's like an official unboxing with you guys, man. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe in the comments below, man. I know y'all was feeling the Nigel Sylvester retro ones. I did a video on that. I'll put a card up above. Let you guys check that out, man. But this one right here, man, is a lot. This is just fire, man. Nigel did his thing. Got the green swoosh right here, as you can see. Green swoosh there, fire. This swoosh here, fire, gold. Oh man, got the gold here. Gold. You know, all gold, everything like Trinidad James, man. Shout out to Trinidad James, man. Got a dope sneaker collection. I respect your sneaker collection. Word. This is dope, man. This is beige going around. You got the beige matching the same color as the shoestrings. Fire. Fire, man. Let me know what you guys think, man. But it's time for me to rate this shoe. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm giving this shoe a 5. 5 out of 5 pennies. This shoe is getting a 5. If you disagree with me, leave it in the comments below. But I'm giving this a 5. I'm giving this a 5, man. This right here is a fire shoe, man. There's nothing you don't like. If you don't like Air Force Ones, I understand. But if you an avid sneaker collector, and you know about Air Force Ones, you know that this shoe is a perfect shoe. You can't go wrong with this right here. What's wrong with it? Tell me, I'll wait. Exactly. So let's, like, come on, man. Let's be real, man. Like, enough with the hype, man. Get what you like, man. Enough with it. But this, oh my God, man. I can't wait for Nike to bring it back. I went to go do a third pair, but they was already sold out or whatever. So I couldn't do a third one. I was gonna do another one. I was wilding. I was gonna definitely do another one because I really like Air Force Ones. And then when you able to put whatever you want on it or whatever option that they give you, because they have the Nike ID and they have the Bespoke. The Bespoke, you get all options, but that runs you like $800-900. I can't afford that. I'm not spending $800-900 on the shoe. I can't afford that, so I'm not doing that. So when they come out with stuff like this, I usually jump on it, and I jumped on it, man. I got 2 pairs. Wait till y'all see the other one. When y'all see the unboxing of that joint, y'all gonna go crazy. It's fire. But let me know what you guys think. If I'm tripping, y'all think I'm tripping? This is the first 5 I ever gave a shoe on this channel. I never gave a shoe a 5. This is a 5 to me. It definitely is, man. Got that. See that? Come on, man. What's wrong with it? I'm gonna give y'all a twirl around. What's wrong with it? Tell me. Tell me what y'all think is wrong with it. Shout out to Biggest Dozen. Got the Biggest Dozen hat on because they got the green in the shoe, so I figured I'd throw the hat on. Shout out to Biggest Dozen. Sab, I see you. But yeah, man, it's just fire, man. Fire. Dope shoe, dope. Let me know what y'all think, man. With that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.